Today we will start our second lesson of civics. What is democracy? Why democracy? In this lesson we will study the meaning of democracy, features of democracy, why sometimes we like democracy and sometimes we dislike democracy. First of all, what is democracy? For example, our country India, that is democratic country. As you know, in India, people, they go to cast their vote and by their voting they elect their representatives. And sometimes we are not satisfied with the people or our representatives, we remove them. So what is democracy? Democracy is a type of government where the people has power to elect their rulers by giving their vote. Democracy word has been taken from the Greek word demokratia. Demos means people, kratia means rule. So it means people's rule is known as democracy. The greatest president of USA, Abraham Lincoln, also defined democracy. According to Abraham Lincoln, the government of the people, by the people, for the people. So it means the three words are given by Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people and for the people. But before we start the features of democracy, first of all, we will describe the difference between democratic and non-democratic government. Democratic government, the government such as India, where the people go to cast their vote and elect their representatives. Elections are held. They are held in a free and fair manner and after a regular interval of time. For example, in India after 5 years. And the people who are elected by us as our representatives, they take all the decisions for the country. And all the people of India, they are given to cast only one vote and value of each vote is same. But in a non-democratic country, the people have not power to elect their rulers. So all the power lies in the hands of a single person. All the decisions may be related to economic or social decisions taken by only that single authority. No one has power to criticize the government and no voting right is given to the people. Now, we will describe the features of democracy. In a democracy, the major decisions are taken by our elected leaders. Free and fair elections are held. They are held after a regular interval of time. One person, one vote, one value. It means each one has right to cast one vote and value of each vote is same. There is rule of law and respect of rights also. Now we will describe these features with the help of examples. For example, in Pakistan, there is not truly democracy. The decisions are not taken by the elected leader. But this example is ancient example or old example. Now such type of government has been changed. But according to our book, we have to do the topic Pakistan. In Pakistan, people, they have elected their parliament and government. But the real power is with those who is not elected by the people. It means in Pakistan earlier there was democratic government, but that was overthrown. Military head General Pervez Musharraf. In October 1999, General Pervez Musharraf overthrew the democratically elected government and declared himself the chief executive of the country. In 2002, he issued legal framework order. According to this, the president has power to dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Final decisions only in the hands of the Pervez Musharraf. So final decision power lies only in the hands of those people which are elected by the people. But in Pakistan, the final decision power is not in the hands of the ruler who are elected by the people, only in the hands of a single authority or Parvez Mission.